What's going on here?
So now we're connecting finally the exhaust fan of the spray robot, and we were supposed to have a scissor lift, but the delivery got delayed. So we have to use again my bird cage. Even more? A little bit more? Good? Yep. That's it? Yeah. Now I go forward. Using the measurements that I took on site, could recreate the space in three-dimensional plans so that they can play with the new cabinetry essentially on the same footprint on the floor and reuse the same cabinets, the same countertops, sorry. You see, like now, for example, I realized that I did a mistake. I should have just reset the whole thing. And in case there's any questions that come up throughout the process, we'll have all the answers internally. There's questions. Oh, what do we do with this situation? So something comes up at any stage throughout the manufacturing, delivery, or installation, the question can be answered within the company because somebody's been there from day one. So if they have a question regarding the measurements, I was there. If then manufacturing has a question about the design is in-house. Then if the finishing has a question about the cutting, same thing. The cutting has been done in-house. So control of fine details is 100% under one roof. Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah.